There isn't enough time in this short recording to give examples of the illustrious leaders in various fields that this society produced. But at least let me mention just a couple of them. You know, Archbishop Janane Leum is a product of this society. 20th century martyr, Christian martyr, martyred by Idi Amin. The world-renowned writer, Professor Okot Bitek, the author of Song of Lawena, is a product of this society. Father Antonio Okello, the musicologist and composer who has composed so many well-known hymns and songs, is a product of this society. Professor A.M. Odonga, a surgeon known throughout the world, is a product of this society. You can look in the field of soccer. The greatest soccer players in Eastern Africa and coaches and captains for decades came from this society. I could go on and on if we had time. That is what we've lost, and that is what we must do to in some measure recover. I don't believe that the water we drink is changed, that the Malakwang has become any different, that the air is any different from what those people had, and we need to just make sure we recreate the opportunities which have been taken away and recreate the access which is collapsed and recreate the quality which has disappeared from our education system.